Welcome to Devasi's weekly experiment video series. Today, we're gonna try and put this squishy thing into the vacuum chamber and see what happens. This is a toy. It's a rubber toy, and inside it has small kind of gelatin beads inside. You know, it's kind of squishy, and you can also see it has some liquid inside. So let's put this in the vacuum chamber and see what happens. We're gonna set the vacuum level to -800 mBar and see what happens if we can reach that point. Now this little strawberry is slowly starting to expand. We're reaching -350 mBar, and we can already see it's growing little by little. You can see our little strawberry starting to swell. It's reaching -600 mBar and it's already blowing up. Do you think it's going to explode? Vacuum level is -763 mBar. And this squishy toy that is used for anxiety most of the time is giving me anxiety right now. I think it's going to explode any second now. Or do you think it's going to resist? It's very, very swollen. This means the pressure inside and outside of the squishy toy is very different. That's why it's making such a big deal. It's very resistant of the green leaves of the strawberry. You can see there's small leaks where the water or the liquid inside the squishy toy is just leaking out. Woo! Very quickly, very rapidly returning to its original size and color. As the pressure returns to normal, the squishy toy has returned to normal size in a very, very fast manner. So now you can see it's not a great big balloon, it's a little strawberry again. Let's check to see if it has any leaks. It's perfectly normal. You can still use it for relaxing. Hope you like this video. We'll see you next time.